head over to the App Store, and once inside of the App Store, just search for Microsoft Remote Desktop. You'll have this icon to search for or look at, and once you've found that icon, just click on the application to install. Once you've installed the application and you've launched it, it will look like this. So I'm just going to minimize this on the left hand side, and once you're here, to set up the connection to the Microdec cloud software, what you'll need to do is click on workspaces at the top if you're not already there, and then select the option add workspace. If you don't have this option, you can click on the plus icon there at the top and then click on add workspace. And then for the URL, you need to type in https://www.cloud.microdec.com/rdweb/feed/webfeed.aspx. When this window expands, click on the user account drop-down menu and change the option from ask when required to add user account. Another pop-up window will appear asking for your username and password. Type in the username provided to you by Microdec. Usually this will be something like, let's say random recruitment 01. So I'm just going to type in my username. And once you've typed in the username, you'll have to add in just after that the @ symbol followed by cloud.microdec.com, and then paste in the password provided to you also by Microdec, my login, and then just hit the add button. We'll be taken back to this screen here, and to finish the process we just need to click add. The profile icon has been created. Let's test it out. And there we go. We are now logged in. Well, thank you for watching. Please do leave a like, subscribe to the channel please, and I will catch you on the next one.